So servicing on the TS600, what will run through both the engine and the machine itself and what you need to do and how you need to do it. So let's start with the engine front and center here. So this runs on normal and leaded. There's no fuel filter on these, so you don't need to worry about changing the fuel filter. Do have the air filter in here, so you've got your air box. So if you undo this screw, you've got your air filter in there. Now you can clean this outer element, but for the most part it's better just to change the whole thing as per the Honda maintenance schedule. Pop that one back on there, cover, and then tighten the screw securely. So also as well, you've got the carburettor under here. Now there is a drain screw here, so if you need to drain that out, if you get water in there or whatever, undo that, that will dribble out. Make sure you clean it up afterwards. That's your drain screw on the car. At the back here as well, so here is your spark plug. Pull that one off, normal spark plug spanner. Pop that one out, put a new one in as required, as per the maintenance schedule. Clip that back on there. Now at the back of the engine, on this engine here, there is no oil filter. It relies on timely change of oil, but there's no filter to change. So the oil itself, we usually take out your filler cap here, and suck it out. You can, however, drain it if you want to do it old school. You can just drain it. There's a drain plug here and an opening here in the steelwork, so you can drain your oil out and replace your engine oil. So that's the Honda engine part. And then the TS600, the machine itself, you've got 5 grease points. You want to be greasing them at least daily, just because they are moving and wearing parts. So first of all, this is your main pivot point here. So you've got a grease point there. You've got your primary head rotation grease point here, that hole in that cover. That one greases your main rotation for your head so they move smoothly. You've got your 2 grease points on the discs themselves. And again, these grease the bearing and the rotation plates. So you want to make sure they're kept greased regularly, at least daily when in use. And then last but not least, you've got your height adjustment here. For setting your cut height. There's a grease nipple on the back there. Again, grease that when you're doing everything and you're good to go. And that is maintenance on the TS600 and TS600 Pro.